Good morning, true believers and KW agents. It is an exciting day here at KW Command Headquarters. As announced yesterday, KW Command Mobile was released on Apple. It takes about a day for Google to process apps, so it is now officially been released in the Google Play Store. So if you go to your Google Play Store, you log in. You don't even have to type in KW, but if you want, you could put KW Command, and you should see from the top, you'll see the little red app with the white right there on top with the white KW lettering. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on it and you're going to install it like you normally do. I'm going to install the app, then I'm going to pause the video, and then I'll pick it up again on the other side depending on how long it takes to install. Hit the install, it's going around. I'll be right back in just an extra minute or two. Not even. Oh, no, wait. It's actually going through pretty quick. Oh, no, it's installing. Oh, it's open. Yay, team. Okay. It was that simple to install on your phone. When you click on it and you hit open, you're going to log in utilizing your username and password that you use for command, for your command login. The same thing that you're going to do for your command login is what you're going to do here. In all cases, it's your first initial with your last name, potentially a number. So in this case, mine is ADS18. So there's 17 other ADSs. Okay, now you're going to put in your whatever password you use. Okay, and then you're going to hit enter. Do you want to allow fingerprints? Ooh, cool. Yes, I want to use fingerprint. Now it's going to go through with the terms of service. In a nutshell, it's your atypical terms of service. If you want to sit here and read it, knock yourself out. It's probably no worse than any other app that we applied for. You must comply with the TCPA, the federal laws on calling and texting. This is basically saying that if you have phone calls and stuff down the do not call list, you cannot call them like we would be doing in any other aspect. So make sure that you do follow all the rules, because you're going to notice when you start using this, that it is extremely easy to make phone calls from your command list now, add notes and do a whole bunch of other stuff. So we're going to look at that all today. And here we go. This is command. Now, that was the install video. I'm going to play around with it a little bit, learn it, and then I'm going to start showing you some quick short videos on how to utilize it. So I'm going to push this out so everybody could see how simple it is to install. I've heard one or two issues with logging in. Make sure you're using your KW login, not the KW email. Very often we get confused and think our username is our email. It is not the email. Your username is your first initial, last name, possibly a number, and whatever password sequence you use. All right, guys. I think you're going to enjoy it. It has a great deal of functionality, and I'll talk to you on the other side. Bye. Sorry.